Let's compare CMS-centric websites and fully customized ones and examine the advantages and disadvantages of each. Now, what is CMS? This term stands for Content Management System, which means a system for managing content. The most famous content management system is WordPress. That's why here we recognize CMS and WordPress and compare it with custom and code-written ones. So, websites are divided into two parts in terms of design. The first part consists of content management systems like WordPress, which have the capability of being personalized and customized a limited extent. The second part includes custom or code-written websites that provide you with complete customization capabilities. WordPress websites are sites built using the WordPress content management system. This content management system allows you to easily design your desired website with minimal programming knowledge. If you are a business owner and need a website as your digital identity, or if you have a physical store and need a website to showcase your products or product catalog, or even if you want to have online sales with not too complex features, WordPress is the best choice for you. WordPress sites can provide you with a wide range of features to implement your business ideas in the best possible way. In addition to all this, designing and implementing these sites requires less time and incurs lower costs compared to custom coded websites. Advantages are using the WordPress content management system, you can quickly launch a professional website. Unlike building custom sites, creating a WordPress site incurs lower costs. With WordPress, you can easily maintain WordPress themes and plugins up to date, which is very important in the web world. Because many SEO tools have been developed for WordPress, it's easier to less costly to optimize for search engines. And these advantages are WordPress themes mostly consists our default templates and plugins, which many impose limitations on website design. And sometimes you may need more features that WordPress provides, in which case you need to turn to custom coded sites. Custom websites are sites that are built entirely according to your specific needs and requirements. In this approach, a dedicated design and development team works on creating your site, and all the design and programming details are handled by them. In this method, the diversity of the site increases significantly, and each element and content of the site can be personalized and tailored to individual preferences. As evident, the second solution requires more time and naturally incurs higher costs compared to the first solution. Advantages of custom websites are: with a custom website, you can precisely adjust the design and functionality of the site to your liking and get outstanding results. By choosing a custom site, you can add your desired features to the site and align them more closely with your business challenges. In custom website design, there are no reactions on templates and plugins, and all site details can be designed according to your tastes. Some special practices such as reporting can be provided on custom sites that are not available on WordPress sites. And if custom sites are implemented correctly and professionally, they will perform optimally. And disadvantages are: designing and building a custom website requires more time compared to WordPress sites. And due to the use of programming knowledge and design details, customer sites undoubtedly take more time and incur higher costs. In conclusion, it can be deduced: if you want to quickly and responsibly reach a website with good and relatively comprehensive design for a simple e-commerce site, or a corporate website, or an advertising website, a product catalog website, or a website for your blogs, or suggestion to you is a WordPress site. However, if you want a website with your own special and selected design, or to have a customizable features and have all the design and programming detail of your choice, it's better to order a custom website and enjoy its capabilities.